Best QI Wireless Charger. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn the notifications on. Number 1. Choetech Dual Wireless Charger. In case you're searching for a gadget that can charge various gadgets on the double, think about the Choetech Dual Wireless Charger. It accompanies a major cushion and 5 inherent loops, so you can charge 2 telephones at the same time. Number 2. Nanami Fast Wireless Charger. In case you're searching for a remote charger that is modest, however conveys the force you need, look at the Nanami Fast Wireless Charger. It accompanies a straightforward stand plan. Number 3. Logitech Powered 3-in-1 Dock. The Logitech Powered 3-in-1 Dock is the best remote charger for the individuals who are shuffling an iPhone, AirPods, or AirPods Pro, and an Apple Watch. This gadget bolsters every one of the 3 immediately. Number 4. Apple MagSafe Charger. The Apple MagSafe charger makes remote charging a strict snap since it utilizes magnets to connect to the iPhone 12 setup. There's no mystery in arranging things, it just works. Number 5. Belkin Boost Up Wireless Charging Stand. Belkin's Boost Up Wireless Charging Stand is the best remote charger accessible. It includes up to 10 watts of intensity, energizing iPhones to 7.5 watts and Samsung up to 9 watts. All other QI-empowered gadgets charge at 5 watts. Click the link in the description to get more information. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to us and turn the notifications on.